Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. How to clean iPhone charging port. So to clean the charging port, what you can do is you can use a thin and a soft brush and clean the charging port thoroughly so that there are no dust particles. Now, secondly, the thing that you can use is a toothpick, which is used to remove any stuck particle inside the charging port, and you need to be very careful with it. Now, it is not allowed or it is banned to use sharp objects which can damage the internal devices of the charging port. The best thing that you can use are a toothpick and a small soft brush. And by this, you can easily clean up your charging port and the phone is charging already. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.